What's up, y'all? Dan with the Wrench, and tonight we're actually going to be starting with a much-needed oil change from Mr. Jack Black. Now, I mean, he might only have 100 miles on this oil, but, you know, y'all been seeing the videos, so he's earned it. I definitely want to check after what you're going to see in a little bit, and just make sure everything's okay. So, let's get to it. All right, Jack, let's warm you up. No raging, all right? Promise. Maybe. Good old cold start. Just like that. About 7-minute cruise. Warm them up. Let's get this oil out. So I like to jack things up. All right, a lot of you know this, but for those who don't, this is the bolt you take out to get some oil out of your engine. Maybe not common sense to everybody, but let's get this bad boy off. Oh, Jesus. All right, here we go. Oh, yeah, I'm so glad we're doing this. Jeez. So it mixes with E85. It'll get in your oil because your shit's just exploding so crazy. I mean, that's got to be it, right? Oh, my God. I need to fix that axle. All right, cool. Yeah, it smells like E85. It smells like some corn. I swear that's from the E85 because the car isn't super hot. We'll check with Illy because I'm sure it's normal. So one thing that I saw on a really popular channel that I love, it's called Legit Street Cars. He basically put a bunch of just not old, but new oil that he had that he only had a tiny bit left in a container, and he had a bunch of containers. And he was able to fill it up and actually run it for a minute and then flush that because he didn't care about that oil, then put the new oil in. So I think we're going to do it. Let's go ahead and get it ready. Get this bad boy out. I'm going to leave the oil bucket under there because it will fit. And let's get this dude. Always use your jack stands, folks. This is random shit. Oh yeah, guess what I just remembered? I don't have an oil filter on there. Genius, Dan. All right, thought about it for like 2 seconds, and we are gonna empty the old oil filter as much as we can, put it back on, run it for 2 minutes, whatever. All right, got like 3.5 quarts in them. Let's just run them for a minute. Literally like 2 minutes of idling. Yeah, I gotta check with Illy. Definitely smells like E85. Alrighty, so the oil plug is back in. Oil filter is tight. And one thing I want to show you guys, the next little plan of action. Check this out. Hopefully you can hear it. And everything's tight, of course. Nothing there left and right, but up and down. Pretty sure the wheel bearing's going. And unfortunately, that is doing this uneven wear. Plus, we have tie rods. Boom, some Moogs. Yeah. Let's go. Stop. Did you just hear what just happened? I know it's hard to hear it. Maybe not hear it, but it's hard to understand what happened. Basically, went to downshift to second, and my foot clipped the corner of the brake pedal instead of rev matching on the gas. It clipped the brake first. We went forward, and the momentum of my hand on the gear shift threw it to first. So it like 3-1 downshifted. But the only saving grace, well, two things, was that one, I have a built head that can go up relatively high RPMs. But the second thing is when I hit the brake, even though it threw it into first, it made it to where the car slowed down enough to where putting it into first wasn't the end of the world. It didn't put it to 10,000 RPM. But let's listen to that again.
He's on board. Oh, yeah.
Man, Peter, you're awesome. Thanks for having a great night with me. Started weird with missing that meet, but we caught up, as you said. I gotta say, Jack Black, man, like I cannot believe that he's running so well. And I think it's gonna be time to probably take him back to PFI, make sure I'm gonna change all my plugs, do everything, and try and turn up the boost a little bit now that he seems to be, doing what he should be doing. But that is gonna do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're actually gonna get back to working on cars here just a little bit. We just had some kind of warm weather, so I really wanted to get them out. And gently tap the like button, I really appreciate it. Subscribe, look forward to more content. We'll be seeing you guys soon. Later.